spotted a herd of elephants there. They're quite far, but yeah, it's nice. I guess this is a clear view. There's one who's come a little bit closer and out of the bush. There's a baby there as well. These are female, I guess, because they're in a group.
Herd.
Yeah. So males are solitary. These are not solitary. So they're females and babies. Plus the baby is moving, so she has to also move with the baby to protect it. Baby's coming closer. So there are two babies there. There's an even smaller one. Oh, there. So this one's baby is the front one's baby is the front one, and the behind there's the baby and the mother. Mother's following the babies. It's beautiful. Out. They're enjoying their food.